Is phone link running in the background on your Windows 11 PC even though you never use it? Or maybe you tried to uninstall it, but Windows doesn't give you an uninstall button. In this video, I'll show you how to remove the phone link app using PowerShell in Windows 11. This method works with current Windows 11 versions, including recent 25H2 systems. First, let's check the normal uninstall option. Press Windows+I to open Settings. Go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Search for phone link. Depending on your Windows version, you may see the app here, but the normal uninstall option may be unavailable or the app may behave like a built-in Windows component. That's why we're going to use PowerShell. Press the Windows key and type PowerShell. Right-click Windows PowerShell and select Run as Administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Make sure you're using an Administrator PowerShell window. Now copy this command. Paste it into PowerShell and press Enter. Wait a few seconds for the command to finish. If there is no major error message, phone link should be removed from the installed apps packages for the user accounts covered by the command. The package name used here is Microsoft.YourPhone, which is the package associated with the phone link application. After the command finishes, close PowerShell. Now restart your computer. Don't just shut down the PC. Choose Restart from the Start menu. After Windows starts again, search for phone link. If the app has been removed successfully, it should no longer appear as a normal installed application. There's one important thing you should know. Removing phone link means you can no longer use phone link features such as phone notifications, messages, calls, or other phone-to-PC synchronization through that application. So only remove it if you don't use these features. And don't manually delete files from the Windows Apps folder or modify random Windows system files. Using the apps package removal method is much safer than manually deleting system folders. And that's how you can remove phone link from Windows 11 using PowerShell. If you don't use phone link and want to get it off your system, this is a simple method to try. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to Khoa Nguyen Computer, and leave a comment if you have another Windows 11 problem you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching.